3504 Pembroke Pl, Bedford, Texas. Hey, that's where I'm here today, guys. If you're looking for a great home in Bedford, Texas, you've got to check this home out with me today. Let's go. This beautiful and updated home is in the wonderful Bedford Park Estates neighborhood. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with engineered hardwood floors throughout the main areas of the first floor. This home provides a perfect floor plan for entertaining along with everyday living, with a formal dining room and 2 spacious living spaces. The kitchen is modern with quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. Relax and unwind in the lovely primary bathroom's freestanding tub, which is complemented by the updated tile and a quartz countertop vanity. Hey, and don't forget the backyard. It's an ideal place on hot summer days with your own swimming pool and plenty of grass area to play. Hey, so the summer is hot and this pool is ready for you. So once again, 3504 Pembroke Pl in Bedford. Hey, if you need an appointment, let us know, 469-298-9786. Sam Thomas with Providence Group Realty. See you then.